Now for these questions, we're dividing a multiple of 100 by a multiple of 100. First, we have 600 divided by 200. Now when we have division questions with end zeros in both the dividend and the divisor, what we can do is cancel those end zeros. So 600 divided by 200 will give us the same answer as 6 divided by 2, so that's 3. Now let's try 3,500 divided by 500. We have two end zeros in both the dividend and the divisor, so we can cancel those end zeros, and 35 divided by 5 is 7, so that means that 3,500 divided by 500 must also be 7. Now we have 2,700 divided by 300. We can cancel our end zeros, and 27 divided by 3 is 9, so that's our answer. So remember, 600 divided by 200 gives the same answer as 6 divided by 2. 3,500 divided by 500 gives the same answer as 35 divided by 5, and we can cancel our end zeros in this last question as well and just answer 27 divided by 3. And this makes sense if we remember that one way to divide is to count up in steps of the divisor until we reach the dividend. So if we count in steps of 200, we have 200, 400, and then the third multiple of 200 is 600. So because we made 3 jumps, we know that 600 divided by 200 is 3. Now let's count in steps of 500 until we reach 3,500. We have 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, and then 3,500. So we've made 7 jumps. And now for this last question, we could count in steps of 300 until we reach 2,700.